Got the Mighty Max out of the shop. Let's do a full overview of what all's been done. So we cut the whole front end off right at the bottom of the cab, and from there we tubed out the front end to accept the 4B11 from the Evo 10. Tons of space to work with, build a massive turbo, whatever he wants to do. This isn't all finished, it's just the main fab work, so I won't be wiring it or anything like that. That'll be up to the customer. He'll be wiring everything in and making it all look pretty and painting and everything. On the front end, we have a Toyota 2nd gen pickup bumper mocked up. He's planning on using a 2nd gen Toyota 4Runner, which should be similar or same mounting, and then the lower valence to kind of cover some of this stuff up. And then he's going to do a whole bunch of body work and paint this thing, make it look good. For the firewall, just cut out, this is all from the Evo. Cut that out to get the steering column lined up, brake, clutch, gas pedal, since it's electric, all lined up to fit how it was supposed to in the Evo, so it'll feel right in the cab. And that was just the easiest, quickest way to graft it in. Coming into the interior, we stripped out the stock column and we put the Evo 10 column in it. That way he can integrate all that with the dash and everything. Right now the dash is all untouched, but he will be putting in the Evo 10 components where he sees fit, and then the shifter will be mounted where he wants it, full center console, the e-brake is mounted in, and then probably get the Evo seats as well. The rear on this truck was a leaf spring solid axle setup. It is now a IRS setup from the Evo 10. Use the factory subframe and then made coilover mounts for it. The coilover mounts do go slightly through the bed, so the bed will end up getting tubbed, but inside the bed will look factory when it's complete. The whole goal with this truck was basically to use the stock subframe setups for the Evo 10, so if he needs any parts, he can get Evo 10 components and throw it on. A little bit newer and easier to find parts than the Mighty Max is. This video will conclude the Mighty Max Evo 10 project. We won't be finishing it up. All the major fab work's done. The customer's going to finish up everything wiring wise and get this thing all looking good and driving. So this will be the last time we see it. Hopefully when it's complete, he'll bring it down and we can check it out and get a video of it running and driving. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more crazy builds.